ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरिप्र्यन्तम् स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। श्लोक 116 116 पेज नंबर 102। प्रपंच मिथ्यात्वम उपसंहरति। प्रपंच मिथ्यात्व टॉपिक he is concluding. In 114 shloka it was said shashtha gochar kalpaha. Shashtha gochar means abhava, anupalabdhi, pramana, vishaya is abhava. What is abhava sadrisha means in 3 periods of time it is not there. It's atyanta bhava is there, and yet I experience. So how to understand this? For that they give this drishti srishti vada. Shashtha gochara kalpaha, that which is really not there, but it appears like in swapna, so is in jagrata. And then in 115 shloka, what was pointed out means we have seen the shloka. Main thing you have to grasp is the sambandha between buddhi, vritti and ghata. The sambandha between chaitanya and jada. Buddhi vritti has chidabhasa. That chidabhasa is going to illumine ghata by removing tadavachinna avidya. Because there is no direct sambandha between Shuddha Chaitanya and Jada. This is a prakriya. Okay, this much more. You can think a lot on these shlokas. I'm just giving few ideas. Yasman na kayachidapi yuktya atmanah karakatvam kriyatvam phalatvam chopapadyate. Tasmad atmavastu yathatnyanavabodha matropadanatvad नभसीव रजो धूम तुषार निहार नीलत्वादि अध्यासो यथोक्तात्मनि सर्वोयं क्रियाकारक फलात्मक संसारो अहम ममत्व यत्नेच्छादि मिथ्याध्यास एवेति सिद्धम इमम अर्थम आह. यस्मात्, since, na kayachidapi yuktya. Kayachit, like how in pullinga it will be kenachit, kaschit, kinchit, kenachit. In pullinga, strilinga kayachit. Kayachit api yuktya, with any yukti, atma will have karakatva, kriyatva, phalatva. None of this is possible. न उपपद्यते. तस्मात् आत्मवस्तु याथात्म्य अनवबोध मात्र उपादानत्वम. Jagat is having atmavastunah. How will you do samas vigraha? Atmavastunah yathatmyam. Atmavastu yathatmyam. Go ahead. Whoever speaking, anybody was trying? आत्मवस्तुनः याथात्म्यम. आत्मवस्तु याथात्म्य. तस्यानवबोध अज्ञानम. अनवबोध मात्र उपादानम. उपादानत्वात्. हाउ? नभसी इव रजो धूम तुषार निहार इत्यादि. Like in space, raja in dust, dhuma smoke, tushar fog, nihara smog, नीलत्व blueness, adi adhyaso. In akasha, none of this is there. It can be there in vayu, but akasha, just perception is there. So यथोक्तात्मनि सर्वोयं क्रियाकारक फलात्मक samsaro. In the same way, adhyaso yathoktaaत्मनि, in the atma, all these kriyakaraka phalatmaka samsara, aham mamatva, aham parichinnosmi, I am purusha, manushya, mamatva, this is mine, yatna, prayatna, ichha, all of them are mithya adhyaseva. Iti siddhamam imam artham aha. टीका. यथोक्तात्मनि क्रियाकारकादि शून्ये आत्मनि. यथोक्तात्मा means there where kriyakaraka phala are not there, in there they are appearing. So this kriyakaraka phalatma, they are shashtha gochar kalpa sadrisha. aham mama aham mithya abhishapena दुख्यात्मा तद्बुभुत्सया इतः श्रुतिं तया नेति युक्तो कैवल्यमास्थितः. अहं मिथ्याभिशापेन दुख्यात्मा तद्बुभुत्सया इतः श्रुतिं तया नेति युक्तो कैवल्यमास्थितः. अहम मिथ्याभिशापेन, दुखी आत्मा, तद्बुभुत्सया. तद्बुभुत्सा मीन्स दुःखस्य निदानम बुभुत्सया, अथवा दुःख निदान निवृत्ति बुभुत्सया. दुःख निदानम इज अविद्या, अविद्या निवृत्ति, बुभुत्सा desire to know how to do दुःख मूल कारण निवृत्ति. बुभुत्सया इतः श्रुतिं तया नेति इति उक्तः कैवल्यम् आस्थितः. इतः मीन्स गतः, इण गतौ. He goes to Shruti. Shrutim gataha. Instead of saying Shrutim gataha, he says Shrutim itaha. And taya taya shrutya cha neti neti iti uktaha. Shruti will say, not this, not this, not this. He gets Kaivalyam. Kaivalyam Asrita. What is Aham Mithya Abhishapa? He says, Avidyamana Ahankaratmana Abhishapena Apavadena. Avidyamana Ahankar. Ahankar which is not there. Ahankaratmana Abhishapena. That he has been cursed by Ahankara. Sometimes people think, somebody does some jadoo or somebody has given curse, shrapa. This ahankara is shrapa, is abhishapa. We all are cursed with ahankara. This ahankara is a pishacha. Ramana Maharshi says, avatya ahankara pishacha yasha. So, this is the main problem. We get entangled in other problems, thinking that other things are problem. Other things are not problem. You are the problem. Ahankara is the problem. But when we don't have time to see this, we blame everything around. Ahankaratmana abhishapena apavadena. Another Acharya, he writes here, Ahankara atmatva adhyaropa apavadena. Adhyaropa means adhyasa. Ahankaratmana abhishapena apavadena. So this is not like adhyaropa apavad is done. Abhishapena means apavadena, dukhi. San Atma tad bodhana ichchaya. For the knowledge of dukha means dukha nivritti, matrakalpam shrutim itaha praptaha. Shruti who is like mother, matrakalpam. Taya cha neti neti atma agrihyo nahi grihyate. Then
अशीर्यो न हि शीर्यते असंगो न हि सज्जते असितो न व्यथते न रिष्यति.
asito na vyatate arishyati. This is the Atma. Ityadi lakshanaya nirakrita apavado adhyasta ahankaradikam vihaya. So this ahankara rupi abhishapa apavada nirakrita. Nirakrita apavado. Nirakrito apavado yena. Adhyasta ahankaradikam vihaya swastha kaivalyam asthita ityartha. So he attains kaivalyam. तर्हि श्रुत्याचार्यादि प्रपंचस्य वास्तवत्वम् अभ्युपेयम् मिथ्यात्वे बाष्पधूमादिवत् प्रमाजनकत्व अनुपपत्तिरित्याशंक्य असत्यादपि प्रमोत्पत्तिं सदृष्टान्तम् आह. somebody says then Shruti, Acharya, at least this prapancha you will have to accept as real because it produces knowledge. If they are mithya, bashpa dhumadivat. So bashpa dhuma, one way how it can be explained as taking bashpa as dhuma. Instead of dhuma, you see bashpa. Now you think it is dhuma. Then you do anumana. Parvato vannima, dhumat. But it is not dhuma, it is bashpa. So mithya hetuna satya sadhya siddhi cannot happen. In the same way, mithya shruti, mithya acharyana, aham brahma, satya prama cannot take place. Or satya moksha you will not get. You will get illusory moksha. So Siddhanti says not necessary. Asatyadapi prama utpattim. From asat vastu, prama utpatti is possible. Sadrishtantamaha. तस्यास्य मुमुक्षोः श्रौताद् वचसः स्वप्न निमित्तोत्सारित निद्रस्य इव इयं निश्चितार्था प्रमा जायते. तस्य अस्य मुमुक्षोः, of this mumukshu, श्रौतात् वचसः, from श्रुति वाक्य, श्रौताद् वचसः, श्रुतौ भव श्रौत. तस्मात् श्रौतात् वचसः स्वप्न निमित्तोत्सारित निद्रस्य. समास विग्रह क्विक. This is nobody's answering. Can you all hear me or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Swamiji.
स्वप्न निमित्तेन उत्सारिता निद्रा यस्य सः स्वप्न निमित्तोत्सारित निद्रः. On the pretext of dream, a person is awakened. Like if he sees a tiger, this is a famous drishtanta. He sees a tiger in his dream, tiger chasing him, and that tiger, when he is chasing, then he wakes up. Tiger was illusory, but he could wake up. So that illusory tiger can wake you up. That is the drishtanta. So swapna becomes the nimitta. Swapna nimittena utsarita. Sri gatau dhatu is there. From that, sarita, nijanta and nishtha pratyaya. Ut upasarga purvak. Utsarita means he is woken up, he is lifted up from his nidra. Swapna nimittena utsarita nidra yasya utsarita nidrasya iva iyam nishchitartha prama jayate. This nishchitartha prama utpatti will take place. Tika. नाहं न च ममात्मत्वात् सर्वदा नात्मवर्जितः भानाविवतमोऽध्यासो पह्नवश्च तथा मयि. नाहं न च ममात्मत्वात् सर्वदा नात्मवर्जितः भानाविवतमोऽध्यासो पह्नवश्च तथा मयि. न अहम न च मम आत्मत्वात् सर्वदा अनात्मवर्जितः. I don't have aham, I don't have mama. Why? Because I am Atma. What kind of Atma? Sarvada Anatma Var. Just as in Surya, Bhanau Tamo Adhyasa Iva. In Surya, the Tamo Adhyasa, darkness in sun is only Adhyasta. But is Apahnuta, is eliminated in the same way. Mayi Adhyaso Apahnava. Adhyasa was there, now it is Adhyasasya Apahnava. It is eliminated. Means now I don't have Aham Mama. Aham Mama is the problem. Vihaya Kaman Yas Sarvan.
विहाय कामान् यः सर्वान्
पुमान् शरति निःस्पृहः
निर्ममो निरहंकारः.
Nirmamo Nirahankara. For Sthita Prajna, this is one of the Lakshana. Sashantim Adhigacchati. Aham Mama Nivritti. And in Bhakti Lakshana also it is given. Nirmamo Nirahankara. Samadukha Sukha Kshami. Something like that. So Aham Mama Nivritti is required. Tika. Bhanau Tamo Adhyasa Iva. Ahankaradayah Pratyagatmani Adhyasta Eva. न तो परमार्थतः संति तस्य चैतन्य मात्र स्वरूपत्वात् ततस्तन निवृत्तौ निर्विशेष आत्मेति मुमुक्षोः प्रमा जायत इत्यर्थः. भानौ in sun तमो अध्यास इव, there is अध्यास of तमः. अहंकारादयः प्रत्यगात्मनि अध्यस्ता. अहंकार etc are superimposed in प्रत्यगात्मा. Eva, adhyastha eva, na tu paramarthatah santi. So in Surya, who will do tamo adhyasa? So sadharana drishtanta is of the owl. Owl thinks during the daytime also there is darkness. Or ghanachanna drishtir ghanachanna marka. When the cloud is there, then I think sun is covered. In this way, ahankaradi are superimposed in pratyagatma, but not paramarthata. Tasya chaitanya matra swarupatvat. That atma is chaitanya matra swarup. Tatas tan nivruttau. Therefore, tan nivruttau nirvishesha atma iti mumukshoho pramajayate ityarthaha. Then, when that adhyasa nivritti takes place, then nirvishesha atma jnanam takes place. Iti mumukshoho pramajayate ityarthaha. Nanu katham nirvishesha atma iti pramajayate nivritti lakshanasya visheshasya vidyamanatvat. Nivritti lakshana rupa vishesha is there still. Vidyamanatvat iti ataha apahnavascha. अहंकारादिर यथात्मनि अध्यस्तस तथा तद अपहनवोपि तस्मिन् अध्यस्त एव. Like how ahankara was superimposed, its nivritti is also superimposed. This is how that ajnana nivritti is adhikarana rupa only. In this way you can explain. Vimuktatman Acharya says Panchama Prakara. Avidya Nivritti is Panchama Prakara. We have discussed this before. Tad apahanavopi tasmin adhyastha eva. Kalatrayapi tasmin ahankaradehe asatvad. In all 3 periods of time, ahankaradi are not there. परमार्थतो निवृत्ति अनुपपत्तेर इत्यर्थः. Paramarthatah, there is nivritti not possible because it is not there. Prapancho yadi vidyeta nivarteta na samshaya, but it is not there only. एवं श्रुति स्मृति वचन आकरण मात्रा निरस्तेपि संसारे वैषयिक सुख लव विप्रलब्ध चेतस्तया एतावन्तं कालं प्रमत्तोऽहम् आसम् अहो कष्टम् इति विदुषो अनुक्रोशं दर्शयति मुमुक्षूणां प्ररोचनाय. In this way, Shruti Smriti Vachana Akaranana Matra, just listening to Shruti Smriti words repeatedly, Nirastya api samsare, samsara is gone. Vaishayika Sukha Lava Vipralabdha Chetaha. But earlier, when he was ignorant, at that time he was seeking Vaishayika Sukha. Vaishayika Sukha Lava, very little of that. By that, Vipralabdha Chetaha. Vaishayika Sukhena, Vaishayika Sukha Lavena, Vipralabdho Cheto Yasya Saha Vaishayika Sukha Lava Vipralabdha Chetas. Taya, by that, Etavantam Kalam Pramattoham Asam. For this much time, why did I fooled around running after Vishayas? Aho Kashtam. Foolish am I. Pathetic. Iti Vidusho Anukrosham. Jnani is Anukrosham. Somebody say, but Jnani doesn't go in the past and say, Kimaham sadhuna karvam, Kimaham papam akaramam iti. He says, Mumukshunam prarochanaya. So that Mumukshus, they don't get entangled in these things. Soyam evam pratipanna swabhavam atmanam pratipanno anukroshati. Soyam evam pratipanna swabhavam. Evam means aham mama virakta. Devoid of aham and mama. Atmanam pratipannaha. The one who has attained atma. Praptaha. Pratipanna here means prapta. Anukroshati. Yatratvasyeti satopam कृत्स्नद्वैत निषेधिनीं प्रोत्सारयन्तीं संसार मय्यश्रौषं न किं श्रुतिम्. यत्र त्वस्येति साटोपं कृत्स्नद्वैत निषेधिनीं प्रोत्सारयन्तीं संसार मय्यश्रौषं न किं श्रुतिम्. यत्र तु अस्य सर्वम आत्मा एव भूत. So this Shruti Satopam in the previous shloka, so how Mithya Vastu can remove that Drishtanta is clear. The tiger Drishtanta, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yatra tu asya iti satopam Krishna Advaita Nishedini. Strilinga Krishna Dvaita Nishedini. Shrutim Samasta Dvaita Nishedini. Samsaram Protsarayantim. Removes samsara, means it removes Atma's sambandha with samsara. Atma is not associated. Samsaram api kim na maya shrutim ashrausham. He says, this is the anukrosha. I didn't hear this shruti before, that I had to go through so much klesha, so much sorrow. So once the jnanam takes place, then Vishaya Sukha is not there. I hear the Shruti and still I am seeking Vishaya Sukha, then I have to remind myself that haven't I heard that the one who gets the jnanam, then Vishaya Sukha is only mithya, and why should I get deluded by that Vishaya Sukha? This anukrosham should come for jnani. यत्र त्वस्य सर्वम् आत्मा एव भूत तत्केनकं पश्येत् इति समस्त संसार निषेधिनीं श्रुतिं किमहं न अज्ञासिषम् इति स्वात्मानं विनिन्दति. He criticizes himself. Last shloka.
Swamiji, what is the meaning of Satopam?
That is what I will tell. Satopam means atopena saha iti satopam. So along with pride, satopam. Krishna Dvaita Nishedini, Samasta Dvaita Nishedini. So Shruti tells this with pride that in Jnana Kala there is no Jagat. Last shloka. Idanim Vidyaphalam Darshayan Adhyayam Upasamharati. Vidyaphalam he gives and then concludes the chapter. Ityomityava buddhatma nishphalo karako kriyaha virakta iva buddhyade rekakitvamupeyivan. Ityomityava buddhatma nishphalo karako kriyaha virakta iva buddhyade rekakitvamupeyivan. Iti Om iti avabuddhatma, the one who has understood Om. Om means Brahma. Buddhatma nishphalo akarako akriyaha virakta iva buddhyadehe ekakitvam upeyiman. So this Atma Jnanam is given in shloka nishphalo, but Tika says nishkalo, which is better. Nishkala, not nishphala. Atma is nishkala, kala rahita. Akaraka, karaka rahita, akriya, nishkriya, virakta iva. Buddhyadehe virakta. Tika, nishkalo akarako akriya iti श्रुत्याचार्योक्तम अर्थम अनुभवन अभ्यसितुः ज्ञानम अभिनयति. The one who experiences the Atma in this way, Nishkalo Akaraka Kriya, Shrutyacharya Uktam Artham Anubhavan, experiencing it, Abhyasituhu, the one who practices Nididhyasanam, his Jnanam is shown as Om. Arthat Omkarasya Eva Brahma Pratipatti Sadhanatvam iti darshitam bhavati. Arthat means through Arthapatti, Omkara itself is Brahma Pratipatti Sadhanam, like how it is given in Mandukya. Virakta iva iti is like Virakta. Yatha hi kaschid viraktaha putra mitra kalatradi lakshanat samsara dukkhad utthaya swayam ekaki vartate. Kaschid viraktaha, giving up all these putra, mitra, kalatra, etc. and samsara dukkha utthaya, taking sannyasa, ekaki vartate. Tadvad ayam api atma. Like that, atma also has risen above samsara. Sakala samsara hetu bhutat buddhyader utthaya swayam ekala eva swamahimni tishtati ityarthaha. So in the shloka it is given, virakta iva buddhyadehe ekakitvam upeyivan. he attains. Atma is ekaki. Atma is always by himself. There is nobody with that Atma. In this way, I understand I am always alone. So, second chapter now is concluded. Iti Shri Jnanottama Mishra Virachitayam Naishkarmya Siddhi Chandrikayam Dvitiyodhyaya Samapta. There are some Vartikas on the last portion. Next time I will just touch and then we'll go to chapter 3. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutrabhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.